So it's another beautiful April snowy morning here in Bergen. As you can see, I am out in the forest enjoying a snowy morning run. Obviously there's a lot of water still because everything melted from the last snow before this one came about. Maybe I can get away from the waterfall here. Y'all can hear me a little better. But yeah, this is probably one of the most beautiful places in the world when you're not putting your feet in mud, which I currently am. And there's graffiti. It's European graffiti. It's fine, right? A lot of it's considered art.